everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chuck. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook. And check out my website at tellystalkinchuck.ca. Let me just get this shared out. If you are jumping on and you want to know more about Chalk Couture, hashtag Chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about Club Couture, hashtag Club. Club is our subscription box. It is a monthly, It is a monthly subscription where you get a B-sides transfer and 3 pastes. So let me know if you want in on that. If you go to my business page, you will see next month's on. So that's good. All right, where am I going? Telly. Oh, we're having issues with my. There we go. Again, if you are on, say hello. I'm trying to get this out to everybody, but I'm clearly not in as myself. Alright, it's just going to be like that for now. Let's get to chalking. So today we are going to be doing I Don't Do Mornings, Rise and Shine, Good Morning, and then the Rooster. Now I haven't done this one yet, so I have to get it out. I'm going to cut the pieces apart, and then I will be fuzzing the transfers pieces on my pant leg, so that we get a little fuzz on it so that it's not too hard to stick on here. And this was where we had the Be Beautiful, or the Be something like that. The Be. So I just washed it off to reuse the surface again. Keep in mind these transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times, so you can get the most out of your buck for using these. And our Kickstart bundle came today. Well, it didn't come here today, but it got released today for designers. It will be released again for customers in June. So keep an eye out for that. I will post more information as we get closer. I have put the photos in the groups and the pages. So let me know which ones you love out of those. I think they're all really cute. A lot of strings today because I didn't go in a straight line, clearly. Oh, that one came weird. Alright, so I'm just going to put this down on my pant leg, and then I'm going to put it back on there because we're not doing this one the way that it exactly is. I'm actually going to flip it upside down. I'm going to do the Good Morning, Rise and Shine, and then the I Don't Do Mornings, because I feel like that's what people do. People say good morning, then they say rise and shine, and then the person that they're saying good morning to turns around and says, I don't do mornings. So that's what we're doing. Sorry, I got a little aggressive there. It made my whole thing shake. Let me know in the comments if you are a morning person when you jump on. I'm curious. I am sometimes, not always. Just depends. curious about my viewers. And if you're not a morning person but have to get up in the morning, what is your go-to to make you motivated? Alright, so we're going to do the good morning first. And I thought I'm figuring I'm going to do it in the daffodil. Now we're going to try and get this. The bird's going to... Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So we are going to have to do it to the side. I was going to do it in the... That's not going to work. That's the way they have this. Okay, fine. We'll do it this way. I forgot he has to go in the corner because of the way that this goes. So we're going to do that in the daffodil. The daffodil is open. We've used it a bunch. I am now. Hi, Ryan. I didn't swipe left first. You have to swipe left for... No. Hi, dude! I know you do your morning posts, but are you a morning person? Anybody can write words on a screen. I can be all polite on a screen. That doesn't mean I'm all happy Dory in the world. I'm not sure Happy Dory was the word I'm meaning, but we'll work on that. You get motivated by doing your morning post. That's cool. I find that does help me too. But I do find I can sometimes fake my good morning, depending on the day. Now we're going to do the rise and shine. We're going to do this in the Couture Teal. Yeah, you're always a morning person? That's cool. I can be if I get enough sleep. If I don't, well, and I'm a wreck. And most people don't want to deal with me. I at least need to get my coffee in at that point. And then we're going to do, I don't do mornings in eucalyptus. Oh, I didn't space that out well. Oh, then I'll move it up a bit. I didn't space that out as well as I was thinking I was going to. I had to think about that, where I put that. So we're just scraping up all the excess, putting it back in our jar, but making sure that we got all the parts. I just realized I didn't take this off. I was wondering where it was, and it was on the page, or on the Thanks, though. I literally looked over and I was like, why is there only 2? There needs to be 3. Yikes. Alright, so to hopefully make this not look so spaced out and weird, I'm going to put our little cock-a-doodle-doo over here. I call him cock-a-doodle-doo. We're gonna make him red. He's gonna be a bold cock-a-doodle-doo. Alright, and that one I didn't put down on my... I don't know if I put any of them other than the one down on my pant leg, aka skirt that I'm wearing today. They're not sticking too bad, so that's good. And there you go. Isn't it cute? Alright, so we're going to put this over here. Now I'm going to take this guy, because we do have this. He stands on here like that, preferably without that going in there. Oh no. There's not a hole in the bottom, or in the top. So I just did everything upside down again. But I can put it in here like this. But the... Ugh. So I can put it in like that. I know. But like this. I didn't know you switched it over. Okay, well you gotta warn me beforehand. So you can put it in like that. It is upside down, but you can't tell that other than the fact that I've fessed up to it. Because there is a hole that you put your little thing in here. And well, there's no hole on that one because it's up there. But it's cute. I like it. Alright, so that is all I have today. And these... Ooh, nice. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Come back and see me again tomorrow when we do up another one. Supposedly, we've already got a request for the next one, so I will see you then. Bye, guys.